Hey guys, this is just a quick warm-up video that you can do before any of my workouts. So let's quickly get to it, smash it out, and then we can jump onto one of the workouts. Starting with walking on the spot. All right, get ready. Now we are going to switch into a torso twist. So just twist around. Adding that little point with your toe is a great way to stretch out the leg. Next we're going to some squats, so squat down and up for me. You're just about shoulder width apart, you don't have to go too far down. All right, let's warm up this upper body. Now I want you to give me some open hugs. So bring those arms out nice and wide, feel a nice squeeze between the shoulder blades, then give yourself a little hug. Okay, now let's go into some shoulder rolls. So just nice big roll around with the shoulders. It doesn't matter which way you go, just halfway through. We'll switch and do the other side. Go the other way for me. Now I want you to finish off with a stretch and reach. So point that toe, we're stretching our whole bodies from top to bottom. Nice stretch and reach up to the top. All right, are you feeling nice and warm now? Yes? Let's go smash out one of my workouts.